Hello, I'm Grandmaster Jeff Wade with South Miami Taekwondo, and today we're going to learn how to make a front stance. So I'll use this line, the seam in the mat, and this blue tape here, which is exactly my shoulder width apart from the seam in the mat. So I'll put my feet together, my toes forward, I'll put my feet shoulder width apart, and then I'll go forward 3 foot lengths. 1, 2, 3. Then I simply bend my front knee to the point that my knee hides my front toes. Keep in mind the back toes are still straight. The weight distribution is approximately 70% here, 30% in the back, although no one's going to get a scale and come and weigh each of your feet. Okay, from the side, the feet together, shoulder width apart, 1, 2, 3 foot lengths, then bend my front knee until it hides my toes. 70% here, 30% there, all toes going forward and my shoulders square. As you walk down the floor in a form, rather than doing this Godzilla step like this, you bring your feet together each time. So my feet come together and I go out for a front stance. My feet come together and I go out for a front stance. And that is how to make a front stance. Thanks for watching.